How was the new pan?
It was nice. The chicken slid right off.
That's great. You'll have to be careful not to scratch this one, especially when you use the butter.
The butter. I know. I didn't let the knife hit the pan.
The Teflon scratches so easily, and then the particles can all get in our food. I don't like these pans, but whatever. It's your thing.
Honey, we've been using these pans forever. And with the warranty, we scratch them, they send us a new set. It's a great deal. It'd be silly not to use them.
I like the silver one.
The silver one is tiny.
We have a bigger silver one in the attic from our wedding. I think the Bernsteins gave it to us, didn't they? Oh no, was it the Cobbs? I don't know. They certainly weren't on our registry, but they're nice. They're some real quality pans.
The chicken sticks to the silver ones.
With this much butter, how can anything stick? No, it's fine if it's the amount the recipe calls for.
It's the same franchise recipe as always.
Well, honey, come on. The chef in the video, I mean, seriously? You think he's somebody who cares about how much butter he uses? He's probably diabetic himself.
Fine, don't eat it. I'm just making something else.
No, it's delicious. The mushrooms are great in this. I'm glad we used them. They were on their way out. You know, we should have made marsala. We could have used your homegrown cherry tomatoes.
They're better fresh, but I'll keep that in mind.
Oh, I guess that's true.
Yeah, this one looks nice and juicy.
Well, that's fun. Thank you. So sweet and natural. Do you really need cheese with that?
I just want to enjoy my fresh cherry tomatoes with some mozzarella. Is that a crime?
Honey, there's already cheese all over the pasta.
A little bit of Parmesan.
Both are incredibly high in salt. I'm just saying.
Christ almighty.
Now, here we go.
Here we go.
Just eat your dinner.
What are you eating?
Nothing.
You're chewing. I don't believe this.